Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted notes on iPhone. For that, we have two ways. The first one is to open Notes app directly. And now from the list of your current notes, you just need to find this option for folders. By clicking it, you will go back in the folders list. So here you can see this section recently deleted. To recover those notes, you just need to select note like that. And by tapping edit, you'll be able to move it back to your notes. So just select it, tap move, and choose in which folder you wanna move it. For example, just to notes. You can also just press and hold it and choose move from here. And also you can select more than one note, tap move, and choose to move to notes. After that, you should see them in your notes list. Also, let me just create note and delete it right away. So, also here, as you can see, notes available only for 30 days. Also, sometimes this may take up to 40 days, but keep in mind that you probably won't be able to recover the notes after 30 days. Now, the next way is via iCloud. So go in settings first, tap on your Apple account, choose iCloud, find notes in the list and make sure that you enabled automatic synchronization. And now we can open Safari. Here, tap iCloud, sign in your iCloud, of course, sign in your Apple account. Then use this arrow to go back until you reach the section recently deleted. So here you can also recover notes by tapping option recover. Let's just delete it again, go back in recently deleted, select note and tap this option recover. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.